Nowadays, with the digital age, there are so many ways for creators to make a living doing what they love. It is so easy now for the artist, writer, video producer to make money off their content. Whether it be selling art, teaching online courses, there's something everyone can do to make money. This video will be explaining the top 15 ways to actually get paid as a creator. Make sure to watch till the end for the most effective methods, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights. Number 15. Syndicate your content. Content syndication is a method where creators allow other platforms to publish their work. If you've written a blog or created a video, syndicating allows it to be shared on third-party websites. In return, you may receive either a payment or exposure in the form of a byline and a backlink to your own site. This method helps extend the reach of your content, driving more traffic to your personal platforms. Number 14. Write a book. And creators who already have a following can capitalize on their expertise with a book. This could be a physical book or an ebook. You can take all of your experiences or insights, or even better yet, all of the content you've already put out on your podcast or blog, and make a product that your followers will buy. Books offer creators another outlet to try print on demand, so they don't have to pay as much upfront, and they can get orders back really fast. Number 13. Set up a community. Building a community around your content can create a consistent income stream and brand recognition. Using platforms like Discord or Patreon, you can create exclusive spaces for fans to interact with you and with each other. These kinds of communities create loyalty because people feel more in touch with your content. Membership communities are those that provide special content, events, or discussions to only their members. Number 12. Create guest content. Another great way to tap into new audiences is through guest content with other creators. By writing a guest blog post or creating a video for someone else's channel, you're exposing your work to their followers. It may not immediately bring in money, but it does usually bring in more hits and followers. Plus, guest content often leads to future collaborations or sponsorships, which is long-term growth and money. Number 11. Accept donations. There are some cool services online that allow your audience to financially support your work. Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi, etc. Some of these sites even allow creators to give out little rewards for donations, like a personalized thank you note or some exclusive content. Even if you're just starting out, accepting donations can help you build the funds necessary to expand your content creation efforts. Number 10. Include ads in your content. Ads are a traditional and effective way to monetize your content, particularly if you're producing videos or podcasts. Ads before, mid, or after your videos, and get money for them depending on how many hits you have. Longer content typically allows for more ad breaks, increasing your earnings potential. You can start by joining ad networks such as Google AdSense, or you can also contact advertisers directly. Number 9. Allow direct advertising. Direct advertising is another method for earning revenue. After you have a large audience, companies might want to pay you to put banner ads on your site or blog. These ads could be cleverly positioned at the top, the bottom, or along the sides of your writing. The more people you have listening to you, the more attractive you are to advertisers, so you can charge more money. Direct advertising is great for established creators because it provides a stable income without sacrificing control over the type of ads that are displayed. Number 8. Participate in affiliate marketing. Creators can actually earn a commission through something called affiliate marketing, where they recommend a product or service and receive a commission, especially for creators who are the voices of authority in their field. By promoting products you already use or believe in, you can earn a percentage of the sales made through your affiliate links. This can be integrated into various types of content, including blogs, social media posts, and videos. Number 7. Set up speaking engagements. Public speaking gigs at conferences, webinars, or other industry events can be a great new revenue stream for creators. There are a lot of businesses and organizations that would love to hear an expert voice to speak at one of their events. Whether you're giving a keynote speech or participating in a panel discussion, these opportunities often come with a speaking fee. Sure, some gigs only pay travel and hotel, but the exposure can be just as good, and you never know who you'll meet or impress and have future gigs offered to you that way. Number 6. Sell merchandise. Merchandise is a great way for creators to make money and promote the brand at the same time. You know, create and produce merchandise with your logo or sayings that are related to your content, such as t-shirts, mugs, hat, etc. With merchandise, you provide your audience with the ability to support you financially and advertise for you simultaneously. Number 5. Offer subscriptions. Subscriptions provide a steady and predictable income source. By offering paid memberships, creators can give subscribers access to exclusive content such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes videos, or personalized advice. Patreon and Substack and other platforms like those make it really easy to manage subscription services. Subscription models also provide creators with the opportunity to forge a stronger bond with their most dedicated followers by offering them exclusive content for their monetary patronage. Number 4. Turn content into sellable art. If you're a visual artist, photographer, or designer, selling your creations as digital products can be a lucrative opportunity. You can easily sell prints of artwork, designs, or photos either from your own website or something like Etsy. Another option is to license your work for stock photo websites where other businesses and creators can purchase your visuals. Number 3. Consider a brand partnership. Brand sponsorships are one of the most desirable revenue streams for content creators. Corporations are always in search of creators to endorse their products to a target audience. When you partner with a brand, you can make content that incorporates their products in a natural way. These could be in the form of sponsored tweets or Facebook posts, or YouTube videos or blog entries. Number 2. Become a consultant. As a creator with a specialized skill set, consulting can be a rewarding way to monetize your expertise. You can do one-on-one consulting, portfolio reviews, strategy sessions, things like that, and help other creators or businesses make their content better. The thing with consultants is that they charge an arm and a leg for their time. People will come to you for expert advice. From commenting on a video to content strategy to looking at creative portfolios, consulting is a nice, flexible, and lucrative use of one's knowledge. Number 1. Offer online learning. One of the best ways for creators is to teach online. With Skillshare, Udemy, or hell, even hosting your own course on a personal site, creators can distribute their knowledge to the world. Online courses can be sold individually or as part of a series, providing an ongoing revenue stream. As more people turn to online learning for skills and hobbies, creators have the opportunity to build long-term relationships with students. These 15 ways offer plenty of possibilities for creators to get paid for their work. Whether you're just starting out or already have a following, there's something here for everyone. Subscribe now for more ways to expand your brand and make money as a creator.